This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location, steps from restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in the foyer of Unit 3509, a studio in Tower 4. Bath is off to the left as you enter the unit. There's attractive finishes, gray tile on the floor, espresso stained and a contrasting white vanity top. There's a linen closet directly adjacent to the bath. And then as you head into the unit, you have two walls of closets. A really unusual amount of storage space for a studio, and a studio that has an unusually large living, dining, sleeping area. Lots of flexibility in how you could lay out your furniture in this space. Unit faces south. There's a view over the park where I'm looking down at a lot of neighbors socializing while they walk their dogs. Got really good expressway access to the Metro, and you're walking distance from UIC campus. Close to the best of everything in Chicago's West Loop. A very large space. Kitchen has espresso tone cabinetry contrasting with white counters, glass tile backsplash, built-in microwave, stainless steel appliances, good cabinet and counter space for a studio. Very appealing amount of space and storage space here. Great amenities at Presidential Towers, and really close to everything you're going to want to be close to. Should put PT on your must-see list if you're looking for a new apartment in downtown Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.